Tawagin niyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Flora. I am 24 years old at graduate ng Business Administration. My job is in line with my degree at na-enjoy ko kahit na pressured sa sales target. Nag-resign po ako, Ate Cherry, dahil kinonvince ako ng father ko na subukan ang pagbibusiness. Pwede pa rin tayo mag-music, Rico. You can keep the music, just keep it down. At dahil coffee lover ako, nagtayo ako ng coffee shop. Todo suporta ang parents ko, binigyan pa nila ako ng malaking halaga para mapaganda ang interior ng shop. After our soft opening, tuloy-tuloy ang pagdami ng mga customers at binabalik-balikan. Lalo pat strategic ang location, malayo pa ang return of investment, pero hindi ako nahirapan sa mga bayarin dahil may pumapasok na pera. Moving forward to my concern, I just wanted to ask for your POV or point of view on this matter, Ate Cherry. Anyway, meron po kasi akong isang barista na nasa night shift. 3 months na po siya sa shop. Syempre, dahil akong nagsasara, lagi kami magkasama. Naging interested ako sa kanya, Ate Cherry, because he's so cute. Pero habang tumatagal, I am admiring how smart he is. He's a working student po pala. I'm 3 years older sa kanya. Ikinwento niya na pinauna niyang makatapos ng 2-year course ang nakababata niyang kapatid, kaya siya huminto dati. Habang humahanga ako sa kanya, mas lalo ring lumalalim ang hindi ko maipaliwanag na nararamdaman. Talaga ba? Gusto ko siyang makausap pero pinipigilan ako ng isip ko, baka mag-grow ang feelings ko para sa kanya. Natatakot ako. First, baka kasi wala naman siyang pagtingin sa akin. Second, baka hindi maganda ang sasabihin ng parents ko na may gusto ako sa aking barista. Galing pa naman ako sa company na bawal makipagrelasyon sa katrabaho. That would be all for now, Ate Cherry. Maraming salamat po. Naguguluhan pa, Flora. Your name is beautiful, Flora. So, it's perfect also dun sa nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Let things bloom as they should, di ba? Let nature take its course. Huwag mong unahan. Enjoyin mo lang. Huwag mo muna isipin yung I'm 3 years older. 3 years older is not really older. You're just ahead by 3 years. So, alam mo yun, halos pareho naman kayo ng edad. So, that shouldn't be a problem. Barista ko siya. Ako'y may-ari ng coffee shop. Kailan pa ba naging problema yung leveling? Diba? Although, because you're in a workplace, you should keep things professional. At tama rin naman, na yung agam-agam mo na baka yung parents mo would think na ikaw ang may-ari ng coffee shop. You should run it smoothly, as professionally as you could. Wag haluan ng mga emotions para mapatakbo ng tama ang negosyo. However, maganda rin naman na may nagpapaganda ng araw mo sa araw-araw, di ba? Flora, let things flourish. Let things bloom as they should. Kasi kung maganda talaga yan, hindi mo maipaliwanag, sabi mo, hindi mo maipaliwanag yung nararamdaman mo. Sabi nila, pag hindi raw maipaliwanag, it could lead to something beautiful. It may not be beautiful as yet, but it could lead to something that's beautiful and inspiring and can make your day happier kahit hindi bumibenta. Kunyari yung coffee shop, although sabi mo ngayon, maganda ang takbo ng negosyo. So, status quo muna tayo. Maganda ang takbo ng negosyo. The first priority is the business, to make it grow, to make it prosper. Yun, di ba? Pakitain ang because it's your first venture, it's your business, you should put all of your attention to it. However, it would be nice to admire someone who also is trying to build, siguro, obviously, a life from being a barista. Baka it's a stepping stone for him to make things, to build his future para sa mas malalaking bagay na pwedeng mangyari sa kanya sa kinabukasan. But for now, pinagbubuti niya maging barista. Kaya mo siya na-admire, smart siya. Napag-aral niya ng 2-year course ang kapatid niya. 'Di ba? May direction yung mama, 'di ba? Meron siyang and I understand why you would admire. It's always admirable when a guy has direction, when he has priorities in place, when he uses his brains to propagate whatever he has. Maganda, nakaka-admire naman talaga at nakaka-inlove naman talaga pag ganun yung lalaki. Kasi nakikita mo nagsisipag, ginagawa yung dapat niyang gawin para ma-achieve yung mga goals niya at yung mga pangarap niya. Hindi ba lahat naman tayo more than a dream is a guy who knows how to fulfill that dream, 'di ba? So, kung meron kang ganung guy, that would be nice to pa-inspire ka lang, parang pampaganda lang ng araw mo pag nakikita mo sa umaga or pag sa gabi, sabi mo pala ang shift ay sa gabi, no? So, magkasama sila sa gabi. So, bago ka matulog, meron kang inspiration na iuuwi, ibabaon pag uwi mo sa bahay after a long day. So, let's treat it that way. Let's not get ahead of the story. Masyado pang maaga para isipin kung anong pwedeng mangyari. It's always nice to be friends first above anything else. Hindi naman din siguro masama makipagkaibigan sa barista ng coffee shop nyo. Hindi ba? Friendship is not limited to a few. It's not limited to people with an age gap or with social class gap. Wala pong ganon pagdating sa pagkakaibigan. At lalong walang ganon pagdating sa pag-ibig. Pero masyado pang ang maaga para isipin yung pag-ibig. Yung muna, yung paghanga, maganda yan. Yung pagsaya ng puso mo, pag nakikita mo siya, tumatalo ng puso. Pag nakasama mo or you spend time with him, that's more than enough. I think okay yon. Magandang senyales yon para it's good for the business too when you're inspired to come to work and pour all of your energy into building something from the ground, di ba? At maganda din na yung mga katrabaho mo, yung barista ninyo na sabi mo nga ay nakakahanga naman talagang makasama, ay kasama sa pag-build mo ng dreams nyo or pag-achieve ng goals ng coffee shop ninyo. So I'm thinking lang, just take it one day at a time. No need to worry about the parents at this point. Wala ka pa namang ginagawang pwede silang ma-displease. As you say, the business is doing good. That's the primary concern. That's the primary objective. Pakitain ang coffee shop. It will be mas maganda kung word of mouth, people are talking about it. More people will come. More people will visit the coffee shop. More relationships will be built in that coffee shop. There's good coffee to be served, nice food. Yan yata dapat yung mga ingredients that you should put in to make this business really work for you. So, sabi nga kanina ng kantang I finally found someone. It started over coffee. We started out as friends. It's funny how from simple things, the best things begin. So, doon muna tayo, magsimula tayo doon sa simple lang, magsimula tayo doon sa obvious, yung magkasama kayo on a day-to-day, you're supposed to work together, and the good thing about it is, yes, you are working well together, so I'm happy for you, Flora. May whatever you feel makes you happy flourish in your heart, and may it also inspire the coffee shop to flourish as it should, because it's a business that you want to grow, and you want to grow it with people who you know will share your goals, will share your dreams, will share all the objectives that you have for this company. And pag nangyari yon, I don't think your parents will get in the way para naman sa yung kaligayahan. Kasi syempre, unahin din naman natin yung personal happiness mo pag na-achieve mo na yung mga goals na pang negosyo at pang future mo, 'di ba? So I wish you well. I hope, Flora, that you'll be happy and take it one day at a time. If this guy inspires you, go ahead and let him make your heart smile on a day-to-day, 'di ba? Thank you for...
Mga kapatid! Dito tayo sa totoo. O, yan yun yung boses. Pagbigyan nyo na, minsan lang naman yan. Siyempre, dito tayo sa True FM, hindi ba? Like, share, subscribe, follow ang ating mga social media accounts, ha? At True Network PH. Yun lang ang keyword na hahanapin nyo. TrueNetwork PH. O, like, share, follow, subscribe para bongga talagang levels natin sa FB, sa IG, sa X na dating Twitter, sa YouTube and TikTok, pati na rin sa mga podcast.